Hi everyone, I'm back with another easy Valentine's nail. We're going to do a heart leopard print nail. I'm starting off with 2 coats of gel polish. This is Harmony Gelish in My Nightly Craving. It's like a dark nude. 2 coats of those, obviously curing in between, and we are going to go in with our design. So I've distributed some black and some red gel polish onto some tin foil there. Grab yourself an assortment of dotting tools, and we're going to dip into a red with the largest dotting tool and just start dotting around some hearts. So as normal, really easy, 2 little round blobs, little cherries, and then tapering them down, joining them in the middle to create your heart shape. So depending how many hearts you want and what size, just scoot around, jump around different dotting tool sizes, and do your hearts. I'm using a brush just to clean up any of the hearts that may have started to disfigure a little bit. I did it every 4 or 5 hearts. I quickly cured in the lamp for about 10 seconds just to freeze those into place so they weren't leveling out and blurring, losing their shape. So once you've got the amount of hearts down that you're happy with, just fill in any little empty gaps that are a bit bare but you don't want to stick a heart in with a couple of little dots. Excuse me. Then once we've done that, I'm using the little pointy dotting tool and some of the black polish, and I'm going to go around the hearts. You'll see what I'm doing, kind of, because I did go out of frame, but I didn't like this, so I did wipe it away. I've kept it in just so you can see what it looked like. I thought it was a little bit too harsh using the black. So all you do is go around like a normal leopard print design that you do, just 3 like little C's or 3 little outlines around each heart. But yeah, as you can see, once I've done it, I didn't like it, so I wiped that off. I mean, if you like it, go with it, but I thought it was a little harsh, so I wiped that off and I went in with a brown sharpie. It has gone matte where I wiped off the sticky layer, but you do need to wipe off the sticky layer anyway if you are using a sharpie, because it doesn't like it. It doesn't like to work. So as you can see, what I did exactly the same with the sharpie, and then we're going to put a large, nice thick layer of top coat over that, and just gliding it over. I'm trying to show you as best I can, so you're not dragging it along. I hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.